Wednesday, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Highs in the upper 50s. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with showers likely with a slight chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 40s. Chance of rain 60%. Wednesday, mostly cloudy. Showers likely in the morning, then a chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 60%. The hazardous weather outlook through tonight for North Texas. Cold and breezy conditions will produce wind chills in the upper teens and lower 20s tonight. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. And now the hazardous weather outlook for Thursday through Tuesday.
Alexa, what time is it?
Cold front will
It's
arrive
6:29
Thursday with
p.m.
overnight lows falling to the teens and 20s each
Alexa,
night through the weekend.
cancel timer.
It's a good idea to keep your winter property protections in place despite warmer weather this afternoon and tomorrow. Thunderstorm chances return to the forecast early next week. The ultraviolet index forecast for January 18th is 4, or moderate. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and noon and between 6 and 8 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variation, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Muskie, Collin, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Giraffe, Hill, Hood, Johnson, Parker, Somerville, Tarrant, and Wise. This concludes the test of weather radio station KEAS C55. The current time is 6:31 p.m. Central Standard Time. You're listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KEAS 55, serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening area. The following reports of weather temperature and